Gloria. I'm Gloria, and today I am making for you Flautitas. They are rolled taquitos with chicken. They come out delicious and perfect every time. And I know that you and your family will love and will enjoy. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. I have 2 Baileys, chicken bouillon, salt, black pepper, 2 chicken breasts, chipotle chilies with the adobo, fresh Mexican cheese, cream, tortillas, vegetable oil, and I am so ready to start to make these flautas for you. So let's get started. I'm going to start with my chicken breast. I have my chicken breast, my 2 bay leaves, and my chicken bouillon. And let's start cooking this chicken breast. My water is already boiling. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add my chicken breast. I'm going to add my 2 bay leaves. Add my chicken bouillon. I'm gonna leave it here to boil for at least 30 minutes so the chicken is nice and tender. I'm gonna cover it and I'll see you back in a little bit. I am ready to start with my dressing, my crema, my chipotles with the adobo. We're only gonna use half a cup of the sour cream, and we're using 2 chilies with the adobo. If you don't like spicy food, you could just omit the chili and just leave a little bit of the adobo. It gives it such a delicious flavor. I'm gonna add a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of black pepper, and we are going to mix. Before I mix, I'm just gonna add just a little bit of milk because I want it a little bit runny. Okay, and let's mix. Okay, let's see how this looks. We want it a little bit runny, but not too runny. This is perfect. Look how this looks. It's a little runny, but that's perfect. We don't want it too thick. I'm gonna add it here to my cup. I'll show you to you from close-up. I want to show you how thick it is. We don't want it too thick. We want it just the way this is. I added about 2 tablespoons. Look how delicious this looks. Okay, I am ready. Let's go see how our chicken is doing. This dressing is ready. This is the time where we're going to taste it to see if it needs a little bit more of salt. No, this is perfect. We don't need to add any more salt to this. If you think it's too hot for you, just add only the adobo from the chipotle. You don't need to add the whole chili. I added 2 chilies here, but if you think it's too hot for you, just use 2 tablespoons of adobo. Okay, let's go see our chicken, how the chicken is doing. I am ready to show you how my chicken is doing. It's been cooking for about 30 minutes and this chicken is ready. I am ready to pull it out and start with my flautas. I wanted to show you how soft and tender my chicken is. So soft to shred. It was cooking for about 40 minutes in medium-low heat. And now I'm gonna leave it here so it could cool down while I start with my tortillas. My skillet is nice and hot. I'm gonna start adding my tortillas. I just want to get them warm. I'm gonna put them here for a couple minutes. As soon as they start getting soft, I'll show you, because these taquitos are gonna come out really delicious. I am ready to start rolling up my taquitos. I have my tortillas are nice and warm. Okay, I am ready to add the chicken, the shredded chicken, and I am ready to make my flautitas. I'm gonna put them aside and I'm gonna continue, but I wanted to show you this part because we add the shredded chicken right in the center and then we roll them up and we put it aside. I'm gonna continue rolling up my taquitos and I'll see you when these are done. I can't wait to taste them. I am done rolling my taquitos. Now we're gonna take them to the stove and we're gonna fry them. I'll see you over there, my friends. My pan is nice and hot. I am going to add some vegetable oil. That should be enough. And we're gonna start adding our flautitas in here until they are nice and crispy. Be very careful so you do not get burned. We're gonna leave them here until they're completely crispy from that side and then we're gonna flip them. I am ready to flip them. Be extra careful because you don't want to get burned. Okay, we're gonna leave them on that side for about 1 minute and then we're ready to remove. I have a plate here with a napkin just to take the excessive oil out of the flautitas. The flautitas are ready to be removed from the oil. I'm gonna set them here on my napkin just to take the excessive oil off. I am going to continue with the rest and I'll see you when I'm done, my friends. Look how beautiful they look. I'll see you back in a little bit. My friends, I am ready with my flautas. I am ready to assemble my plate. They came out very nice, very crispy. I have some lettuce and some tomato. I'm gonna add some flautas. And I'm going to add some our dressing and our cheese, but I want to show it to you from close up so you can see how delicious they came out. I want to show you my flautas, how they came out nice and crispy. Look at this, they look delicious. I have my plate on this side and I am ready to add my dressing and my queso fresco. I am ready to eat and taste this dish. out really nice and really beautiful, but this is the part I love, I enjoy, and I really look forward. Tasting my recipes. Look how delicious this looks. This is the way we have them here at home. You could add some rice, Mexican rice, or even white rice. It all depends on you. But this is the way we eat our flautas here in my house. Okay, I am ready to taste them, and let's see how they came out, especially with this hot dressing. I wish you would be here to taste this delicious flautas, chicken flautas. Excuse me. Mmm. Mmm. They came out very tasty, very crunchy, and the chicken is super tender. The sauce, well, you know, this came out delicious. Excuse me. Mmm. This came out perfect. I hope you could prepare this Mexican dish at home. It's very easy to prepare. It doesn't take too long to prepare this Mexican flautas, as you call it, rolled taquitos. They are perfect. You could combine them with anything you want. Rice, beans, you decide. I combined my flautas with salad and tomato. Thank you so much for watching my video from start to end. I really do appreciate it. If you liked and loved my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe. Give me thumbs up. Share my video on social media so more people get to know Cooking with Gloria. Don't forget to push the notification bell so every time I make a new recipe, yes, you are notified. Thank you one more time for playing my video. I will stay enjoying my recipe, but before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay enjoying my flautas. Bye-bye.